The Connecticut Sun made a bold decision to rebuild their team this offseason, parting ways with key players from their championship contender roster, including Wnba, Alyssa Thomas, Bree Jones, and Dejounte Carrington. The only recognizable face remaining is guard Marina Mabrey, who was traded to the Sun last season from the Chicago Sky. Despite her importance to the team, Mabrey has no desire to stay with a rebuilding squad and requested a trade. However, the Sun have denied Mabrey's trade request, which has led to frustration from her agent, Marcus Crenshaw. In a statement to ESPN, Crenshaw criticized the organization for trying to force Mabrey to stay, especially in a climate that promotes player empowerment. He pointed out that the Sun had traded away established stars, parted ways with their coach, and failed to retain free agents, yet they were now attempting to keep a player who clearly wanted out. This handling of Mabrey has raised eyebrows within the league. If Mabrey remains with the Sun, she would likely become the team's standout player for the first time in her career, following a strong performance last season. While she contributed significantly to the team's playoff run, Mabrey's desire to avoid a rebuilding phase is clear. The Sun, having given up significant assets to acquire her, may be reluctant to let her go, but it remains to be seen how this situation will unfold.